Hello friend, I am Munmun Hossain. Welcome your favorite channel Grafting Garden. Friend, this video I will share worldwide mango grafting technique like clip grafting. This grafting is very helpful for beginners, gardeners and roof gardeners. So understand its importance, never waste time. Let's go started the video. Friend, this grafting we need a sharp knife, a branches cutter secateur, grafting tape. Which polythene at home, pull it bigger, can use grafting tape, and an ideal stem and a small mango trees for root stock. Friend, for success mango grafting, we need a qualityful root stock such as 9 to 11 months of age, healthy and disease-free, finger shape diameter like it. This small mango tree is better for root stock. For success grafting, friend, at the same we need an ideal stem like 3 month age, deep green color, and the stem of the mango tree will bloom like this. Friend, at first we select where we cut our root stock. We cut our root stock this place where color light grey, light green mix, like this place. Then now we cut our root stock this place. Friend, look at this clearly. Wood skin we cut middle. Look at wood skin middle. This is cambium layer. Friend, cambium layer help grow up the plant and definition of healing and many other injury. Friend, for this success grafting, we set our stem this layer. Now we ready our stem. We remove all leaf. Friend, cut this stem like saws. Friend, you must be cut your stem very smooth all side. Friend, our stem is ready for grafting. Now we set it our root stock. Friend, your stem and root stock diameter is not adjust. You will set it one side same like this. Now we tied it grafting tape. Friend, you must be careful this place. Water never passing inside. Friend, we tied it grafting tape carefully. Now we cover with poly bag. Friend, our grafting is complete. Now we keep it low sunlight, give water when needed. Friend, if we success this grafting, we see green leaf within 15 or 20 days after. Then we remove this polythene. Friend, after 50 or 20 days later, when green leaf come out, how to look our mango tree? Let's go the result. Friend, we do all the grafting technique step by step. Our grafting is success like this. You see, the green leaf is come out the top. This grafting is only 24 days. Friend, you will complete this grafting technique step by step. You will must be success. Friend, this video is helpful. Please like, share your friend. No more information, please comment. And must be subscribe my channel. No more today. See you again another video. Passing happy and healthy life with your family. Thanks.